Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest tools and gadgets to help you make the best purchase decisions. In today's video, we're diving into what is arguably the best SharkBite removal tool on the market, the iCrimp CRQ01 Disconnect Tong. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is designed to make disconnecting brass push to connect fittings easier than ever, and today, we'll see if it really lives up to the hype. This compact and efficient tool works with 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch fittings, making it versatile enough for a variety of plumbing projects. The key to its success is its innovative design. Instead of struggling with pliers or other tools in hard-to-reach spots, the iCrimp CRQ01 offers a solution with its easy-to-use, one-handed operation. The release collar of the fitting is depressed with just the right amount of force, which allows the teeth of the fitting to release, making disassembly smooth and quick. What really sets this tool apart is its compact design and wide grip handles. When you're working in tight spaces, such as behind walls or in the corners of cabinets, getting leverage on the release collar can be tricky. But with the iCrimp CRQ01, the design allows you to work in those hard-to-reach places without any hassle. You can easily slide the tong over the fitting, squeeze the handles, and remove the pipe from the fitting, all in one simple action. No more struggling with awkward angles or worrying about damaging your fittings. Plus, it's made of durable materials to ensure longevity, and it's rust-proof, so it'll hold up even in tough environments. You don't have to worry about losing small components either, as this tool has an integrated design with no loose parts to keep track of. The iCrimp CRQ01 is also approved for use underground and behind walls without access panels. This gives it an edge in situations where other tools might not be up to the task. It's perfect for anyone who frequently works with push to connect fittings on materials like PEX, copper, CPVC, PERT, and HDPE. In conclusion, if you're looking for a SharkBite removal tool that combines ease of use, durability, and versatility, the iCrimp CRQ01 Disconnect Tong is an excellent choice. It takes the frustration out of disassembling push to connect fittings and makes your plumbing projects quicker and more efficient. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the best tools and products on the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.